Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristilani here, and today I have a tattoo kit to share with you guys. It's the F5 kit from Neebol Tattoo, and the first thing I put out is the transfer paper. That's the one you can outline on your skin, and then you'll have the outline on there. Next thing is some dental bits that you can use to protect your surface. And then right there we got the practice skin, and it's a pretty decent thickness. So it comes with everything you need. Next thing is the ink caps, the little cups you use to put your ink inside. And then we got some gloves. And then you got the protective sleeves to put onto your tattoo machine. And then it also comes with the tape, so you can secure the sleeve onto your machine. And in this box you have a big bottle of black ink. Next thing I put out is the colored ink, and I believe there's like 10 different colors there, so that's a lot too. A little of this can go a long way. And this is the green soap to cleanse the skin before you tattoo. And this here is the needles. It comes with 10 each. I guess those are for the shading, and the other one is for the outline. It's the single needle on this one here. The red one has multiple needles in there. And as I open the box to the machine, it does come with 2 extra O-rings. And this here is the machine itself. It does come in different colors. I chose the pink color. I thought that was the cutest color. It is rechargeable, so it does come with a charger as well. Alrighty, so it's time to practice, and we got the single needle going on. You just kind of adjust it into the machine. So as you put the tip into the ink cap, it draws the ink into the tip. I'll show you guys a video clip of that later on. But it kind of feels a little bit intimidating before you start to practice, but once you start going, it's so fun. I had a lot of fun just practicing on the skin. So I really think this is something I might continue doing. I know there's some classes you must take in order to get licensed, so I'm gonna look into that. And I think tiny tattoos, fine line tattoos will be so cute to do. I would like to thank Neebol for collaborating with me and sending me this to try. If you guys are interested in this kit, everything will be down in the description. There's also a discount code for 15% off of the kit. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was pretty fun to make. It was pretty fun. I just like the practicing. Next I will try the colored ink. That might be fun. And look at the flower, and look at the little butterfly. That was so cute. Look, oh my god, it was supposed to be a flower, but it came out to look like a butterfly, I guess. And thank you, Carrie, for helping me with this video. Alrighty guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. We had fun making it. We had so much fun. This is the example of the ink pooling into the tip while you dip it in the cup. You see that? Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video. You guys take care, God bless, and thanks for watching.